Sdg School is a 10-day based program where we bring students from different countries, this year 10 countries altogether, to work on UN Sustainable Development Goals. Within these 10 days we make sure they have a clear understanding of the culture, of the community that they try to serve, of all the skills that are in the room. They also learn how to use different machines within a makerspace, a maker's asylum.
The United Nations has estimated that we need almost $4 trillion to actually address these SDGs. The problem is that right now the governments in the world have put aside about $1.5 trillion. That means there's a shortfall of $2.5 trillion that we need. And you can imagine that's not going to be possible, right? So that's where you come into the picture, because you at STEAM are going to show the world there is a different way of innovating, which is faster, better, and cheaper. And we don't need necessarily to wait that we get, the $2.5 trillion to save the world. We can start saving the world in a small scale right here in Mumbai at Makers Asylum. Over the next 10 days, we'll show that.
Makers Asylum is a very interesting, I would say, social experiment, because it's bringing together, in particular, young people to face the problems of society today, and there are many, whether you live in India or around the world, and try to tackle them with a purpose. It's very important that we make a difference. The SDGs are about making a difference. All of the youth who are here assembled want to make a difference, and bringing them together with a few like-minded institutions and sponsors, I think, is a very important contribution.
I actually think that the sustainable goals we chose for this program are pretty realistic, like the quality education and the health and the water and the energy are the big goals, and big challenges that it's international, it's not just somewhere. So I think we did a really good job about choosing which SDGs exactly to work on.
We started with how to use tech to improve engagement and learning experience for underprivileged. At first we had big ideas using VR, AR, then with the field trip we hit a bit reality. What do people actually have? What can we offer them? What would be natural for them to use? We saw the kids and they were just moving the whole time. What we're doing right now is a math game actually, dancing numbers. You do simple math, moving around. If everything is right, you get some nice light fireworks.
By this, the kids can make a number. That's how the whole understanding of numbers and mathematical calculation works. And it also reduces the role of teachers in learning because it's self-initiative.
The world is facing so many challenges, social, economical, environmental, in one side, and education has to change because it's largely obsolete. So one thing that we would like to do and that we are aiming to do here at Sdg School is to prepare the students to learn how to tackle the challenges, learn how to solve, learn how to change the world and find an adaptive solution for the local needs. And so if we have the problems on one hand and the students on the other hand, if we can empower the students so that they can learn how to solve problems, not only we get better human beings, that we live a better life.
Makers Asylum, it's a place that I'm in love with. I find it pretty much like my sanctum sanctorum. This is a place where I feel that your dreams can come alive. Whatever you have in your mind, whatever ideas you come up with, you can actually give them shape, see them emerge into reality. So that is one of the things I love about Makers Asylum, and I go back being satisfied that I have created something new, created something that could do good for the society and for the world at large.
I'm working for the quality education, and our problem statement is how do we stop bullying and spread awareness about bullying in schools. So for that we have worked out a puzzle. It's a 4-piece puzzle. It's for the age group 7 to 12. It's like a story. Character is Rohan. Rohan is a kid who's being bullied. He's given 4 options. What does Rohan do? Either does he go and talk to his parents, does he go to his teachers, does he keep quiet, or he decides to fight it on his own. So the children select what do they want to do, and if they succeed in getting the right option, you have green LED that glows. Teacher monitors this so the teacher can identify who is the bully and who is being bullied.
We have designed a product in which we have used ceramic filter technology to clean the water. You can clean the water up to 98%.
There is some indefinable and mysterious energy that comes out and pervades the environment, the space, the people. It's very creative, and I'm convinced actually that you learn much more from touch exercises than through teachers lecturing in front of students, just here and listening.
For me, all this was a motivation, was a life-changing experience. I'm sure that when I leave from here in my luggage, I will carry less clothes but more experience, and this for me it's the best thing that I could take as a souvenir.